they look so bad, girl. Child, you need deliverance. It's spring twist outs. Yes, I usually do them on myself because I can. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Karey Maina, and if you're new here, welcome. For the returning subscribers, thank you very much for your love, for your support, and for always watching my content. Yay! Anyway, for today's video, I'm going to try out this salon. They do, what are they called? Spring spring twist outs. Yes, I usually do them on myself because I can, but then again today I've decided, let me try it out, let me give it a try. I saw this this friend of mine, she's a YouTuber also. Yes, her name is Kate, but her YouTube is called I'll tag it out. I'll put her name tag on the screen so you can go check her out. Yeah, and I loved the twist outs on her natural hair, and I was like, girl, I have to try this. So I decided, let me go get this out. Yes, they look so bad, girl. Child, you need deliverance. Anyway, I decided, let me go remove this and do them, and then get the twist outs at that salon, and let's see how it's gonna look. I hope they'll look as good as they look on me when I do them on myself. Sorry about the lighting. Yes, so I hope they'll look good. Anyway, see you guys. I don't know if I'll tag you along, but if I can, because your girl is shy, she can't record in public, so if I can, I will. But if not, don't worry, your girl got you. Your girl got you. I'll show you the aftermath of the it all, and this is me right now. Yay. Yeah, that's me. So let's go. So guys, I'm back again. I remember in the morning I told you guys I'm going to the, what's the name of this place, to this salon to get my spring twist outs done. Although I can do them myself, but this time I decided let me go to a salon because I remember the name. I saw Kicking It with Kate, and girl, thank you for plugging me. Definitely I won't be like saa squeeze takuwa na kesha whole night nikijitengeneza hizi. Thank you for the plug, Kicking It with Kate. Thank you, girl. Anyway, this is the look, the final look. Look how springy they are. If you know me like personally, okay, wait just a minute, sorry about that. I was fixing the lighting. What the hell did I just say? I was fixing the lighting. If you know me personally, you know how long my hair is. Like, you know my hair, and you can see that bouncy effect. You see? Oh my god, I'm loving this. Damn, child. Look, they look so nice. I'm in love with them. Like, duh. Anyway, honestly guys, I'm loving this, and it's so affordable. Jeez, this is very affordable, and it looks like the outcome is really nice. Yeah, plus considering it's right now it's the hot season, I want something that my hair can breathe out. Like, yeah, I didn't feel like doing cornrows because I had cornrows before, so I decided let me just do this. Plus I had eyed for that. Thanks a lot, Kate. Thanks a lot. Kicking It with Kate. Guys, kindly go check out her YouTube channel. Go support your girl. Go check her out. She's the bomb, I'm telling you. Anyway, that was it. Yeah. Anyway, so I'm thinking of doing, like, I'll do a styling video later on. Kindly comment on the comment section down below and let me know if you want to see like a styling video of how I tend to style my spring twist outs. Okay, yeah, comment on the comment section, and I'll also do what is it called, like another video after a few weeks or a few days, I don't know, of how I tend to maintain them and all that. Okay, yes, but so far I'm loving it. Anyone who needs their contact of whoever did this for me, like, child, I'll plug it up to you, because Kate did it for me. I'ma do it for you. Okay, yeah, comment on the comment section and let me know if you want the contact of if you want me to plug you, and if you want a styling video, and like how I tend to maintain it. Okay. Yes, anyway, you'll have to forgive me for these few days. I'll just be like, okay, because I'm so in love. Okay, and one thing, I know my hair isn't healthy. Tend to know my hair isn't healthy when it looks like this at the ends. You see? I don't know if you can see like this. I don't know if you can see. Like, what the hell am I trying to do? You see the ends? That's when I know my hair isn't healthy. That means I need to now go back and focus on my hair, concentrate on my hair, the health of my hair, because honestly, I don't want split ends. I don't want my hair going Elbows on me. Girl, no thank you. So, yeah, anyway, see you later. This is the end of the video, hopefully. But yeah, toodles. Tell me if you love it, and if you don't love it, I don't care. I don't care. Okay, I don't care. But I love it. I love it. All that matters is that I love it.